In the tumultuous year of 2020, while many struggled financially, a select few, such as Elon Musk, seemed to defy all odds and accumulate unimaginable wealth. He made over $120 billion from January 2020 to December 2020. Have you ever wondered how the rich managed to build their fortunes? Today, we unveil the 7 secret rules that guide their financial decisions, providing insights and strategies for your own journey to success. Rule 1. Plant the seeds of success. Building wealth requires time, effort, and unwavering dedication. It's not an overnight phenomenon. Take Elon Musk's inspiring story with Tesla as an example. He poured years of hard work and personal sacrifices into the company, investing a significant portion of his own fortune. During Tesla's darkest hour, when bankruptcy loomed, Musk stood firm, saving the company and eventually turning it into a trillion-dollar enterprise. The lesson? Plant the seeds of success today, and in due time, you'll reap the rewards. Rule 2. Stop digging a financial hole. We all make mistakes, but continuing to invest in failing ventures is a recipe for disaster. Learn from the wisdom of Warren Buffett, who swiftly sold his airline shares when the pandemic struck. Rather than clinging to sinking investments, he reallocated his resources to more promising avenues. Recognize when it's time to cut your losses and redirect your efforts toward ventures with higher potential for success. Rule 3. Cash is not king. While it's tempting to hoard cash, it doesn't generate wealth on its own. In fact, the value of cash diminishes over time due to inflation. Instead, focus on acquiring businesses or assets that produce value and generate income. Consider the power of owning a rental property or investing in a growing business. By putting your money to work, you can secure a more prosperous financial future. Rule 4. Avoid speculation. Investing in something you don't understand is akin to gambling. Remember the cryptocurrency boom of 2017? Many jumped on the bandwagon without comprehending the underlying technology or market dynamics. Consequently, when prices crashed, numerous individuals lost their life savings. Educate yourself before investing and avoid speculative ventures. As Warren Buffett wisely said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Rule 5. Prioritize essential expenses. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make is buying things they don't truly need, especially when they can barely afford them. Consider the cautionary tale of Mike Tyson, who squandered his fortune on lavish purchases and eventually declared bankruptcy. Focus on securing necessities like housing, food, and reliable transportation. By limiting unnecessary expenses, you'll have more resources to invest and build additional income streams. Rule 6. Be a strategic individual. Following the crowd rarely leads to extraordinary success. Great opportunities often arise when no one else is paying attention. Avoid being a mindless follower and instead detach yourself emotionally from the herd. This doesn't mean being contrarian for the sake of it, but rather making informed decisions based on thorough research and analysis. Remember, true wealth is often generated by those who see what others don't. Rule 7. Small choices, big results. Financial success is not solely dependent on extraordinary actions. Rather, it's the result of consistent, small choices made daily. Consider the impact of setting aside a mere $5 each day and investing it wisely in an index fund. Over time, these small decisions can yield extraordinary results. While you may not become the next Elon Musk, you can still achieve significant wealth accumulation through disciplined and consistent actions. Now armed with the secrets of financial success practiced by the rich, you possess valuable knowledge to shape your own journey towards prosperity. Remember to apply these rules wisely and make the right choice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends' family so they can get the answers they are looking for. See you in the next sharing. Bye.